How to recover deleted chats or messages from Telegram. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your deleted chats on Telegram. So the first thing that you want to do is first check your Telegram. There is a short time duration where you can instantly recover your chat. So if you have mistakenly deleted any chat right here, so let's say this one. So if I just tap and then delete, so if I also delete for this person and delete chat, there is a short duration where you can undo the deletion process. So if you just delete this instantly, there is 5 seconds where you can recover this. So just tap on undo and you are good to go. But let's say if you have deleted this, deleted all of this, and delete all of the saved messages, your chats as well. So in this case, then there is one more option that you can do to recover your chats, and that is if you go ahead and open your file manager, tap on your internal storage and head over to your Android folder and navigate way to your media. Now here you will have to find this folder called org.telegram.messenger. Just tap on it and you will see all of your Telegram images and messages right here. They are waiting to be recovered, so you can recover all of these from this folder as well. And that's how you can recover your deleted messages and chats from your Telegram. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.